Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a bit of a help lesson for one of my viewers. My viewer's written in asking me for some help on an old Hollies song called Worth Through. He's got this chord sorted, but it's the lead work that's on the intro and in the middle of the song. It's a very fast little run of notes, very difficult to actually hear what's being played, so he asked me if I could help him out, so this is my attempt at trying to help. I'm in standard tuning, by the way, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Hollies track. Okay, so the bit that's in question is the bit that goes something like this, if I can get it right. Okay. So that bit is da 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 da. You know the song? Yeah. Sorry about the singing, but just thought you'd let you do that so you know which song we're doing. So this little lick, okay. What I'm doing is basically I'm hitting the fourth string open. Then I'm going on the second string, B string, and I'm running down from 3, 2, 1. Right. Then I'm playing the second fret on the third string, the first fret of the third string, and then the open third string. So, right. Got that? Open fourth. Second string, third fret, second fret, first fret, third string, second fret, first fret, open third string. Right. Right. Then we go into the fourth string, the D string, playing the third fret, second fret, first fret. Okay, so something like this. Okay, let's do that again. Right, then what we do is we hit the open A string, fifth string, and then the third fret on the fifth string, and then the open A string again. Okay, so you end up with this. Okay, and then you hit that A string again on its own, just a single, and then that kicks off the second phrase, which is the same apart from the very end of it, I think. Okay, so you start the same, you do the same thing again, so you hit that open A note, and the open A string as usual, and then you play the third on the fifth as usual, but you don't play the open A again, you play the second on the fourth as a finishing note. Okay, so what you've got on the second run, it's sorry. Right, so if you put those two together, and then to do it again, you would hit the fourth string open. After that second on the fourth, you hit this fourth string open, and then you start the whole thing off again. Right, so from the beginning I'll try and do it twice slowly, okay? So mind blown. Let's try that again, shall we? So you got that? Hopefully that will make sense to you. So a bit quicker is okay. Well, hopefully that'll help. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye for now.